The Rezerva booking platform was designed to help fill boats up. There are several modules. We'll start with the assets. In the assets modules, once you click in, you can see what boats have already been added for you by us, the administrators. You can add a new one, and you give the title of the boat or the name of the boat is best. If you want to tag in your company name, that's good too. This is where you would add a nice photo of the boat. So these are all the images on the website. Just drag and drop into here and then select it and add it. In that section you can put in description of the boat and then the sort of activities you want to conduct out of that boat, then the speed, the size, capacity of the boat, etc. Here you put in the Facebook and WhatsApp of your company, which is attached to the boat. Here we add your rows and seats so that we can get the capacity of the boat, and you publish it. And then you will have added a boat to your assets. Destinations is already mostly pre-filled for you as well, but if you want to add like a new diving site by name, you can do so. So we'll just look through the list of the existing destinations and starting points. You can add one in there and then publish it. If you have any problems with this section, do let us know, because we can get conflicts if different operators make the same worded destination. But we'll keep an eye on this for you. The sailing wizard is probably one of the most important. Here you can schedule a boat, so choose one. It's a 5-step process. Step 2, set the departure, then set the destination, click next, set the price for that trip, click next, and then in this section you can drag and drop. By default it's on a weekly view. When you drag and you position the boat like that, you will get a pop-up, and then you can drag that same boat, same destination and starting point, and just simply repeat it. You delete a boat by clicking on there. Sometimes you need to click 2 or 3 times, and if you try and delete immediately after publishing it, it might give a problem. You might have to wait a little bit. So that shows you that you can get an error, but as long as you refresh the page and come back to it, you will find that that boat has gone, or you have another chance where it will have gone into the system. It's a little cumbersome, but it does work once you give it a minute or so. So once you create that boat, that sailing will appear on the front side. That's for the public, where they will book. Now for the load factor, this section is to be mostly used by those in the office. You can click in on a boat and see the existing passenger manifest. From there, that's deep linked into a WhatsApp. So if you click on there, it'll open up a WhatsApp, especially if you've got WhatsApp web running on your desktop. So for example, once they book, you can get in contact with them. And now the checklist is like a list that can be made in the office to make sure that the captain on the morning of sailing has a little list to check off. And this can be very helpful to make sure that everything that needs to be on board is on board, and you check those off on the side. The marketing section allows you to share via your Facebook or WhatsApp or whatever that exact sailing, and this gives you a great chance to fill in any remaining seats. In essence, it's a call to action, let's say in Dili Expats or whatever, to get people to actually book on, rather than always just showing nice photos of whales, etc. And again, you can direct link that boat. The passenger manifest is more for the use of the captain on board of the morning. So once he opens up the particular sailing, and I'd like to have a shortcut icon on the front of his phone, you can pull up that passenger manifest and either check people in as being on board the boat or not. You can call them up if they're running late, if they're not quite there yet, so you can deep link through to WhatsApp and make a call. And then email out the manifest. It is hardwired now to email that passenger manifest directly to the harbor master and his director. So that email automatically goes to both. The analytics we're still working on. We're interested to see how you use it, but you can pull up some data for just your company's data, and it'll give you an idea of how many sailings and what your revenue is, and the rest. This can be developed so that it really works well, and you have an accounting system within your company. I hope this software will be helpful to you, and I'm always here. You can contact me via WhatsApp or email or phone call, and I'll help you go through with any problems you have. I look forward to hearing from you guys and making sure that we can continue to improve this software for you.